Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some sourdough bread. To make sourdough bread, you must already have your starter. If you don't know how to make a starter, I've got a tutorial on showing you how to make a starter and you can click on the link above. So when your starter is ready, put some flour in a bowl, add your starter, water and salt, and then mix this together until it's thick. Put your wooden spoon to one side and then use your hands to knead it in the bowl to form a dough, and then put some flour or oil on your work surface and then put your dough on it and knead it until it's nice and smooth. Put it back in your bowl and then cover it and leave it to rise until it's doubled in size. When it's ready, remove the cling film, and then if it's sticky like this, just put a bit of flour on your hands and gently knead the dough in the bowl, and then put some flour on your work surface, put your dough in it, and then knead your dough until it's nice and smooth and not as sticky as it was before. When it's ready, get your banneton and put some flour in it. Get your bread and then put it upside down in the banneton. This will create a pattern on top of your bread. Leave this to rise. It can take a long time. When it's ready, get your prepared baking tray and then flip your bread onto the tray and then just leave it for a few seconds and then release your banneton, and then it's ready to go in the oven. You don't need to preheat your oven. Just put it in the oven and then bake your bread for about 25 to 13 minutes until it's nice and golden brown on top. When it's ready, just get it out of the oven and then put it on a cooling rack to cool completely. When your bread is cooled down, you can now serve it. I'm going to cut it and show you what it looks like inside. You can see the texture is great and it's nice and baked through. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.